Hi guys, this is Rising Boys with Glado the nutritionist. Welcome today. Yes, I want us to make chicken, broiler chicken, and over there I have ginger and garlic. Yes guys, I've already peeled my ginger and garlic, and the next thing I want to do is to grate them so that I'll make a paste that will be used in marinating our chicken. Yes guys, so karibu sana, let's work together. Over there guys, I finished making my garlic and ginger, and now I'm adding some salt, and the next one is the chicken masala. Yes, that is what I'm adding there, and I'll be adding some paprika. As you can see, it has finished. And the next thing that I'm adding is a little of ginger powder, and that one is some garam masala, and then the next one is a bit of black pepper. I won't add much guys because I have babies, and that is vinegar. Yes, that is vinegar. So guys, I want to make some marination for the chicken, and come on, let's move together. I'll add some oil, a little oil for my marination, and then I'll marinate our chicken. So guys, it is always advisable to marinate your chicken for about 30 to 1 hour before cooking, so that it can absorb all the nutrients or all the marination. But guys, I didn't have enough time, so I'll just put my chicken in the marination, and this was a whole chicken. It was 1.5 kg chicken. So as you can see there, I'm massaging the chicken so that it can get the marination. Every piece will get the marination guys. So come on, let's move together. And today I'll be pan frying my chicken first before putting it to grill, because I want to get that crispy effect on the chicken, and I want it also to brown well. So guys, come on, let's move together. As you can see guys, I'm adding a little oil in my pan so that the chicken cannot stick, on the pan, and I'll put piece by piece until they all fit there, and I'll be able now to save on. I'll be able to save on heat and on gas. I'll be able to save on gas guys. So I'll put all my chicken there so that it can brown. So guys, we are going, it's like 10 minutes that has elapsed, and I want to check our chicken if it has browned well, but it seems that it still needs some time to brown. So guys, I'll show you what will happen with the chicken, or how to check if the chicken is ready to turn over. As you can see guys, there I have some fruits, or if you like, vegetable stroke fruits, and I have a pineapple, and I have zucchini or the cucumber. In the meantime, let me check the chicken if it has browned, and yes guys, it is brown, and it's ready to to be turned so that the other side can brown. So let's move together, guys. Behind me are my boys and my family, so we are working together as I show them also how to do it, so that next time they can do for themselves when I'm not around. So guys, as you can see, the chicken is brown and it is crispy as I wanted it to look like. And in the meantime, guys, as I told you earlier, on the table I have the zucchini and the pineapple. Yes guys, I have zucchini and the pineapple, and I want to take some time to talk about zucchini, and I want to talk about the importance of zucchini. I like making this salad when I'm taking a high calorie diet, and our chicken here is high calorie, so I like to take healthy fruits or vegetables to help in digestion. And as I want to, so this is cucumber that I'm cutting, guys, and cucumbers are low in calories, guys. They have a very high content of water, and also they are high in minerals and vitamins. So guys, if you want to maximize on the value of zucchini, you don't really have to peel it, so you just eat it with the skin, guys. So the next importance of cucumber is that they are antioxidants, guys, and as we know that antioxidants prevent the accumulation of harmful free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, guys. Diseases like cancer. Yeah, cancer, one of the causes of cancer is the free radicals that will change the operation of your cells, guys. That is why cucumber is one of the most important fruit stroke vegetables that you are supposed to do what? To eat. So another thing that you should know about cucumber is that they are composed of 96% of water. Yes guys, this means that if you are trying to lose your weight, you may consider including cucumber in your diet. Guys, let's speak about pineapple now. And pineapple is an antioxidant. It is rich in vitamin C, and it also has an enzyme called bromelain that helps in digestion of proteins. Yes guys, as you can see, that is our final product. Kindly subscribe to our channel, like and comment. See you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.